To go along with our unit on farms, today we're talking about plants. Let's review what we've already learned. Some farms have animals. Sometimes they have one kind of animal, and sometimes they have many different kinds of animals. And some farms have plants. The plants grow fruits, vegetables, and grains that we eat. And some farms have both plants and animals. Today we'll be talking about plants and what they need to grow. Do you ever wonder why grass grows, flowers bloom, and fruits blossom and ripen? It is because they are getting the right things they need to help them grow. Sunlight, healthy soil, clean air, and water all work together to help a seed become a strong, healthy plant. The sun provides warmth and energy for plants to survive. Plants use the sun's energy to make their own food energy in their leaves. Not enough sun will slow down a plant's growth and even kill it. Too much sun can be a problem too, if the plant and soil are drying out too quickly. Soil provides a base which the roots hold onto as the plant grows bigger. It also provides plants with water and the nutrients they need to be healthy. In turn, some plants become healthy food for us. Nutrients in the soil also help plants grow strong. It is important for soil to be loose and not packed down. If the soil in a field is packed down, farmers plow it up before they plant their seeds. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air to use in the process of photosynthesis. In other words, they make their own food energy. This process also gives off oxygen, which we use. The wind also carries pollen and seeds of plants to help spread them around. This is the plant's way of making more of its own kind. Next, let's talk about water. It comes from the sky as rain or snow, and it flows on top of or through soil into lakes, rivers, and streams. Water is very important to plant growth. Water helps the plant move nutrients from the soil up through its stems and leaves. Water keeps the plant moist, flexible, and helps the plant make its own food. When growing your own plants, pay attention to how often it rains and how long the ground takes to soak up the water. If it hasn't rained in a while and the soil feels dry, you may need to water your plants. You can do this with a hose, a sprinkler, or a watering can. However, there is such a thing as overwatering your plants. A plant's roots not only need room to spread out in the soil, they also need air. If the ground is oversaturated, it has too much water and not enough air. Some plants can die if the water is not drained away soon enough. Let's review what we've learned. The sun provides warmth and energy for plants. Too much sun can dry out the soil and plants. A plant's roots use the soil to hold the plant in place. The plant can grow tall if it has a strong base. A plant's roots hold soil in place so it doesn't wash away in the rain. Compacted soil is usually not good for plants because roots have a harder time spreading out to get the nutrients and water they need. Plants can drown in soil that has been flooded or oversaturated with water. Plants need water and sun to make their own food energy. The movement of air refreshes the plant's supply of carbon dioxide. Air can transport pollen and seeds from plants so that new plants can grow somewhere else. Now for the fun part. Let's plant our own seeds. First, we're going to get a clear cup and fill it with soil. Next, poke a small hole to put your seed. Then we're going to pour in some water. And hopefully our plants will grow.